Your Airbnb isn't one size fits all. Your insurance shouldn't be either. Here's how to customize a next insurance policy specifically for your short-term rental, including how to tailor your limits and choose smart add-ons. Click the link in the description to open the quote tool. Answer a few basics and fill in your business info. Once your quote loads, this is where the magic happens. You'll likely see general liability pre-selected. If you own your home or furniture, toggle on commercial property coverage. If you're hosting staff or hiring cleaners, add workers' comp. Click Edit Coverage under each policy. You can adjust your per-claim limits, deductibles, and total coverage to match your risk level and budget. It updates pricing in real time, so you know what you're paying for. Also, you could add equipment protection or hired non-owned auto if you sometimes transport guests or gear. Once everything looks right, hit continue and you're just a few clicks from being fully covered. Tap the link in the description to customize your Airbnb insurance with Next Insurance today. It's fast, flexible, and designed to fit how you host. Protect your rental like a pro because hosting smart means insuring smart.